Hi, I'm Chef Vasily, and I'm going to show you how to cook food that is both cost-efficient and innovative. Together, we're about to disrupt the entire food industry right here, right now, in this studio apartment in downtown New York City, and take your cooking to the whole new level. On today's show, I'm going to teach you how to make a tasty soup. My team and I have decided to cook a Seafood Chowder, not only because it's everyone's favorite here at the studio, but also because we have a secret ingredient that will make our dish that much extra special. Not only it can be extremely flavorful, it also contains all the vitamins and minerals that you need, and is 4 times less expensive. Which means more money for drinks. We're gonna use Soylent as our base. It's a great mixture of nutrients and minerals that are absolutely essential for your body. Since we cannot use any real seafood, out of respect to our vegan friends, we're going to use imitation tofu. This is not real tofu. It's really made out of different ingredients for those who are not tolerant to real tofu. It's going to play a role of shrimp. Alright, so we are going to start by chopping some green onions. I'm just going to chop it up. Just cut off the hairs here, and then just do a little the white parts, the green parts. By the way, this is a cleaver, is a good friend of mine. It's Japanese steel ginsu chikara. Just chop them up about. I'm going to very carefully. Have 5 long and thin carrots. So we're just gonna apply some force, a little force. Half an inch, just like with the onions. It's quite important. I like my measurements. And we're gonna fly in. Next, we've got a beautiful potato here. And now I'm going to cut the potato. The vegetable that took Ireland through a very difficult time in the 18th century. And the potatoes go in there as well. Of course, we must have a little garlic in there. And I don't see it anywhere here. Oh, so much goodies here. Oh, look at this. I've got garlic already chopped for me. So nice. I'm gonna use a professional tool called kitchen knife. Now, one of the most important ingredients is, of course, Soylent. Ah, love that smell of isolate soy isolate. There we go. This pretty much already looks very beautiful and edible. Can't wait to try it. But the reason why we're not putting the tofu shrimp in there yet is because it's good to let the Soylent soak the vegetables. Just about to start making our shrimp. It's going to be very fast, very easy. I'm going to cut into this beautiful imitation tofu in here. So, right, so it's going to be, it's about 2 pieces of shrimp in here, right? This is how it goes. And let's say something like this. Just get creative with it, you know, shrimp are not all made the same, just like us, you know, I'm not the same as my brother or... So, we've got a trick for you, my vegan friends. So I've got a little beautiful FDA approved food coloring here. So we're gonna take this brush and this paint and paint the shrimp. So I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of, just a little bit, we don't need much. And dissolve the paint a little bit, put this nice little stripes. And really, I mean, I could probably trick the nature with it. I mean, I'm sure if I dropped it in the water with the real shrimp, they would be having sex with these babies. And now I'm gonna put this beautiful shrimp straight into our future soup. And we're gonna add a little garlic olive oil. Hellman's real mayonnaise. Just a little bit. We're ready to put it on the boil. Okay. Time to turn on the stove. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be delicious. Well, now it's time to try it. Wow, it's ready, I can tell. It turned yellow, and that's a sure sign that the chowder is cooked to perfection. Let's try it. This is great. This is for two. This is fantastic for Netflix and chill. To try this soup today, I invited my friend Michael, who is a vegan. Let's see if it works with him. Hi, Michael.
Oh, hey, Vasily. Thank you
hi.
for invitation.
Yes.
Oh, that looks great.
Yes,
Wow.
I made this soup. Oh, what did you bring?
I just brought New Yorker, the true vegan chips.
Let me show you how to actually cook it. So you take a handful and you just crush them like this. So you cover it. It's gonna add a nice crunch.
Oh, nice.
Yes, do the same thing. And
Wow, that's just
it has 0 gram of trans fat. That's fantastic. Yeah, New Yorker chips. This is great. Okay.
It's the best soy food chowder I ever seen in my life. Let's go and try it. That's fantastic. That's the best soy food chowder I ever tried in my whole entire evening.
Well, thank you for watching and thanks for following along while I was making this delicious soy food chowder. And don't forget that Soylent is a great alternative for all of your cooking needs. And you saw my vegan friend Michael love the soup, and I'm sure you will enjoy more of my recipes. So subscribe to the channel below and stay tuned for more exciting recipes and the stories from my troubled childhood.